Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review at Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Turbo Swingshot Duo 2-pack. So first up, we have Silver X Jomotron or Jomotron. I don't know, that was a little bit of a hard name to say. J4, which is a attack type. No, balance type. Balance type. It's a balance type, which is D28 TB01-S. So pretty much same basic drone that we used to have, just recoloring. I think different forged discs, and definitely has a new performance tip or driver, new driver, because of the whole switch strike slingshot thingy going on with it. Then we have Leopard L4, which is a TAT type DR58 TA14-S. So yeah, here are their stats and stuff. Both of them are white spin bays. So for the Silver X Motron, I'm just gonna say drone. I'm gonna call it drone because I ain't gonna figure out how you say its name up here. So I just want to call it drone. I'm calling it drone. That's what I'm calling this bay. I'm calling it drone. I don't care. So its attack is free. Burst is 2. Defense is 2. Weight is 3. Agility 4. And stamina is 7. Well, this one, its attack is 7. Burst 4. Defense 0. Weight 3. Agility 8. And stamina 1. So let's go with drone. With Silver X Dromus J48 Fusion S. Let's see if we could get any info on this one. So it's the same color as Drone J2, only they're calling it J4. So I don't think anything changed except for just the color. Force this is 8. Performance tip is Fusion S. And there's no freaking information there. Wow. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Come on. Blue instruction sheet pretty much tells us something for our drone and lots for Lepar. Well, actually, no, nothing for Japan. Lots for this one over here. So let's quick mount individually and tail at them. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and clip out both of them. So yeah, here is drone. Actually, it goes this way. I like how it still has the name on there. For like their center jewel, I guess you want to call that. So you got the J there. You have really, I don't know what these are supposed to be. The bat of a spine or something. For here, then you have its little face, which looks like shooting on fire. But it's supposed to be like a dragon or something. Not really sure. There's its QR code. Here is 8 for its forged disc. 2 stars. And 8 is kind of funny. Because right there, it shows the number 8. Because it's part of the number forged disc now instead of the letter forged disc. And you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little things on the side, 4 on each side, which makes 8. And each of them are kind of designed to look like the number 8. So you got like the top and the bottom. So that's kind of cool. And then here's the driver, which shows a letter F on there. And I don't think the driver has any special gimmicks. Which is kind of a downer, because what it says. Oh no, this one does have a gimmick. It says twist and pull. And then turn, so you just gotta figure out which way to twist it. Okay, so I twisted and I pulled it and then locked it, so you have it as a flat tip right there. Or if we twist it and set it back down, then locked it, you kind of have it as a spike tip. So a flat or a spike tip depends on how you want to play around with that performance tip, which is just known as Fusion. So F for Fusion. Fusion S. Which now I didn't lock the performance tip. So I will tell you this, once you get it up, it locks in easy, but once you try pushing it back down, it doesn't lock. So I have no idea. And that's kind of the bad thing about these performance tips. They're not really made that great. They made pretty much lean us one way. Now get into this fellow here, Lepar. Leopard. It's supposed to be a leopard. It's kind of the whole idea of what they're going for on this little feller. This might have to be a 2-part bay review. So it's the Par L412 Lift Destroyer S. So right here it's called the Par L4. It's part of the, what do you say here, that's part of the Cho-Z layer system, which is supposed to be way, way better than this one. So it still features the hole in there for the level up chip, although you really can't get a level up chip in this one. Maybe you can, but it seems a bit harder. So what its gimmick is, it's supposed to be, I guess, a panther, even though they call it Leo, which Leo is a lion. You think they'd go as panther or panzer or something like that, because it's supposed to be representing a panther, if I read this correctly. Not a panther, a leopard. So I guess it's supposed to be leopard, but yeah. It says Leo, which Leo means lion, not leopard. So its gimmick is it's supposed to be able to raise up and bite down to the base. So layers. So it's supposed to have like its teeth like this. But it's like, then it's supposed to come up, get in there, and just bite down that bay and tab and hold on to it. The thing is, Hasbro one is a piece of junk. No one, they're saying the spoon is too strong to actually get up in there. It doesn't have enough clearance to actually hold on to a layer. Because, I mean, look at this. I am trying to force this layer into the mouth of this one. And I'm trying to find the weakest, smoothest part of it. And it just doesn't work. And these are just painted red. While the Koritomi one, if you're going to get this one, get the Koritomi. The teeth are actual red pieces of rubber, not this painted plastic. The mouth actually opens up bigger and wider like a snake, so it can actually grab onto a bay. The spleen is a bit thinner on the Koritomi side, which is good because you want it to actually be able to open up and bite down. This one, too thin of a spleen, not enough clearance. Teeth has been replaced from red rubber to just red painted plastic. So yeah. Then we have its forged disc here, and it's forged disc. So let me take this off. If I figure out which way to take it off at. Okay, here we go. Forged disc, which has 4 on there.